Oh, Subirila, my people, Batawa, my page. Okay, do you think I was going to say Batawa village? Of course, no. Even though, in my village, now we dey go our own December. Yeah, my village, we travel January and February. Yes. So if you know where I'm from or where I came from, rather comment in my comment section. Let me know if you know. Okay, today we're making spaghetti with just 3,000 naira. Okay, I got my spaghetti for 1,2, my fish for 900, my tomato and crayfish and other things you saw on my tray. Okay, don't ask me why I'm breaking my spaghetti, because why not? We are in Sakpa page. Okay, who can tell me the reason why we add oil in our spaghetti while boiling it? If you know, you are a good cook. Okay, I got my tomato for 100 naira, my pepper for 100 naira, and this carrot, guys, I had to pick outside for the aboki man, then he had to give me the carrots for just 100 naira. And if you want to know why I got it, the market I got it for, so you can come and buy your own. You want to know? No, I won't tell you. Calm down. Don't worry. When you're ready, just holla. Okay, this is me cutting my carrot. I've already cut my tomato, and I'm cutting my onion. Yes, I'm cutting my onion, and I don't know why onion is still expensive. Come on, guys. We are done with December. Ha! Okay, well, another thing again I want to bring to you guys notice is that crayfish is going higher. How far now? When I bring all these things down, we don't do celebrations finish, I beg. And come to think of it, some people are still in the village, they never come back. Okay, I got this crayfish for 200 naira. Normally, I'm supposed to get it for 100 naira. So, I'm putting my sachet tomato and my spices in it. There's already pepper inside too, so I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah, I'm washing my fish. Do you know this fish? Do you know the name of this fish? You can tell me. If you know, comment. I got a gift for you. All right. Okay, this is me. To want to fry my onion and my tomato and others. So here I'm putting my onion already in the pots. So yeah, I'm just going to fry it a little bit so it will cook and give me that taste, that aroma, So hold on, I'll also put my tomato. And yeah, this is my tomato. Yeah. So I'm gonna fry for a bit so it will dry a little bit. Then I'll add my fish and crayfish and stir to dry a bit. Then I'll add my water. Then I'll add my parboiled spaghetti. Okay. All right, guys. If you test this spaghetti, oh God, you will come. If you test this spag, it's killing me, baby. Okay, here I'm almost done. I didn't fry my fresh tomato. No, I just wanted to give me that, that taste, that taste. And my carrot, no, I didn't fry. I just wanted to, it's fruit, so I don't need to fry it. And ta-da! My spag is ready. Hey! If you taste this spag, hidabasi no kukrish. I didn't say that, please. Thanks, guys, for watching.